Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today, I'm just gonna go through and do a couple boxes today. Sunday, gonna probably be on for a couple hours and then watch some football. So yeah, that's what I'm planning on doing today. So thanks for joining or watching later. Appreciate it. So I think I'm gonna pull up the desktop here. So if you've been watching, I've kind of been focusing on Hack My VM site. Like I said, I like how it's kind of laid out and it's easy to navigate. And actually, looking into it further, it looks like they're continuing to make updates and try to make it more user friendly. So, but the way it is now is great. So I've gone through here and done some machines. I got like 14 out of 230. So I downloaded a couple and I spun up one called ZA _1, I think it is. Let's see. Yeah, this one right here. So I just spun this up. Looks like it came out in August, so it's not too old. So let me go ahead and get my machine going here. Alright, so I'm just going to create a folder. Call it ZA1. And I just like to create a couple files here just to keep track of stuff. So if I kind of find some accounts and passwords, I usually throw them in here. And then I've kind of gotten away from this, but typically I just put the flags in a file too, so I can report on them later. So what I'm going to do is just kind of do an nmap here. Alright, so let's do a ping, make sure the machine's up and running. It's always fun to see if I find the right number. That's not it. 12. Nope, that's not it either. It's got to be 14 then. Or not. Unreachable. Okay, let's see what my setup is here. Oh, you know what? I don't even think I spun it up yet. That's probably why. So let's start it up. You know, rookie mistakes. It happens. So we'll get this box up and running. Take a look at it. Alright, let's see if I can find it again now here. It's not 12. Is it 13? It's 13. Alright. Helps if you start the machine up, you know. Nmap. And since it's on my local network, I'm just gonna run everything. See what I can get. Just give it a minute to start up. Get my screen situated here. All right, port 22 and 80. So let me just go ahead and add this to my host file. And this is called ZA1. let's just connect to it and see what it looks like. Go from there. Okay, this might be a little bit of a challenge because I can't read this language, so I don't have any translator built in yet on this machine. So I think what I'm gonna do is just move on to the next one because I don't want to monkey around with language translation at this point. It's too early for me to do that. So let's just do that, it's easier. Next time. Alright, let's try Twisted. That sounds fun. So let's go back here and go to Twisted. Oh, actually, I pawned that one already. Okay, well, we're not going to do that one. Okay. That one's done. Wonder why I have it in there. Okay, anyways. Let's try this one. Pippi. We'll find one. I'm sure we will. Yeah, I haven't done this one yet. And this one actually was done in October this last year, so pretty recent.
Makes it absolutely grounded for RF, so it's grounded just like you're grounded, but they got a bias on it.
Alright, so let's so that was 13, so I'm guessing this is gonna be 14. So let's just let's make just a call here. Pippi. And let's start this over here. Go back, folder, create folder, Pippi. Let's go into here and just do an accounts. I should just create a script to do this. All right, let's just run this now. Nmap here, open terminal. And 14. Get this running. Reset, you know. All right, so same thing, 22 and an 80 open. And we already added it to the host file, so let's just pull it up. Okay. Well, this is another different language, but I could probably work with this maybe. I might just have to get like a translator installed here or something. I know I think Google automatically has a translator, doesn't it? Hey, how you doing? Welcome back. It's like 3 days in a row for you, man. Welcome. I don't know if I might have to have the internet connection to do a translate, but let me double check. because yeah, I don't know if it's gonna let me do it. Probably have to download something. Yep, another CTF. We're doing trying to find one actually. The last two I've done are not in English, so it's gonna make it more of a challenge. So I think I'm gonna try see if I can find one that's in English. Maybe I'm missing it when I download it. And I don't know if this site shows like what language it's created in. I don't think it does. So yeah, that's the plan today, CTF. But I think I'm gonna try to find another one. I have a couple more downloaded. Let me stop this one. And I'm just gonna rename this real quick. Not English. All right. And then this one I think was also not English. English, whatever, close enough. Vivified Tech. I thought I might have did this one already. No, I didn't do this one yet. Hopefully this one is in English. If not, oh well. Okay, let's just spin this one up. All right, what was this? Vivify Tech, is that right? Vivify Tech, yep. Open terminal. Let's just run a ping real quick and make sure it's running. I think I'm at 15 now. Yeah, 15. All right. Let's see, hopefully this is in English. But I know they have a Discord, so maybe I'll submit a request to see if they can add what kind of language it's written in. Let me add this to the host real quick. Let's Vivify Tech. All right, let's just pull it up, cross our fingers. Hopefully it's English so I can read it. All right, so far I can read it. Obviously it's not giving me much, but let's see what we got here. All right, a 22 standard, 80. Looks like it's got a MySQL unauthorized. Okay, interesting. And then another port here, probably one that's authorized, maybe. Interesting. So I'm guessing that I can just connect to this MySQL without any password or anything like that, or the default. Seems easy. Let me just run a quick Dirbuster in the background. Ooh, WordPress. Interesting. Those are always fun. Let's probably redirect somewhere. Yeah, redirect. A commitment to innovation and sustainability. Okay. Well, you know, I'm gonna have to just run the default WP scan on this, right? I mean, seems like that's the next step here. Okay, so there's probably a login, right? It says like WP login or something. Not that one. WP admin. Trouble. All right, let me just run the scan. Cancel this because I'm pretty sure that's where everything's gonna be. Hey Neil, welcome back. Good to see you again. Just doing kind of a couple hour stream today before the NFL games. Just thought I would try a couple more boxes today. Let's see here. I sent a message yesterday to SML. Oh, okay. That's cool. What did you ask him, or what did you tell him? I just thought of something too this morning before you joined. Was I'm trying to. So there's a couple boxes to add the Twitch icon for. Oh, yeah, that'd be kind of cool. Definitely. Yeah, yeah, that would be awesome. I did see something. Maybe I missed it, but when I went to the site, it would be good if they kind of showed like what language the box was written in, or like what, because I don't know if I can't really tell from here. So if they had like some way, or maybe I'm not seeing it, but kind of like what language it was written in, because I had a couple that weren't in English, and obviously I could use a translator and stuff, but I didn't really want to download it and monkey with it right now. So but yeah, that was kind of the other thing I just thought of this morning. Okay, so yeah, we obviously got a WordPress here. So yeah, there's the admin. I'll probably just run a scan, WP scan on this, but see if I can get some usernames. Why is that not working? WP admin. WP admin. There we go. Okay. But thanks for sending it. I actually did just join their Discord too, and it looks like SML is always like looking for feedback and updating it, so that's kind of cool. All right, so let's just run a WP scan on this and see what we can find. address. No, it's fine. All right, and I think I can just get the usernames here. Let's see what version this is. Let's say 641. So it was released in November, and it says insecure. Okay. I guess like -E. No. Oh yeah, so there's one user here. Okay. So at least we got a username. Let's just start. Create document, accounts, create document, flags. All right, let's see. So there's probably, if I brute force it, it's probably gonna kick out, right? Aggressive detection. Unless there was some other way, maybe I missed something. They did have, where's my nmap? So it does say, it looks like there's MySQL that's, it says unauthorized, but what, maybe I still need a username and password. I don't know what this one is. MySQL. This must be like an alternate. Let's see. I could try brute forcing. I don't know if they'll let me though. It might be detected. We can just try it, I guess. There was like a couple other folders I think that I found, like yeah, it's not, I got rid of it. Let's just do this. Okay, so test, yeah. Alright, so we know that's the username. And now let's just open up, let's do Hydra. I think I'm gonna have to find that just cheat code here. Let's see here, brute force cheat sheet. Let's. Yeah, well, I could just try it. I'm using WP scan too. But let's do Hydra. Let's see if I can get this to work. Alright, so obviously the login is not Elliot. This must have been the Mr. Robot box. So that is this guy. Let's paste that in. Okay. And then I could try to scan and pull all the keywords off the website. I might just do, let me just try the rock you real quick in the background, and then maybe I'll do that. Share user share. No. What am I missing? Share. Word lists, right? Then no. Rock you. All right. This will probably bomb out because the newer versions of WordPress, I think, usually stop brute forcing attacks, but let's see. Actually, I have to type this in, I think. v/WordPress. Let's see if this works. No, it didn't like that. Invalid target definition. Maybe I was. Okay, get rid of the HTTP. There we go. Yeah, no. Network size may only be between 16 and 31. What does that mean? Never. Okay, so the T is. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Network size. Only between 16 and 31. So the T is the wait time. No, T is a task. Okay, so am I just misreading this? Well, 30 is in between 16 and 31, isn't it? I don't know. Network size may only be 16 and 20, 31. What is that? What does that even mean? Network size. I don't see network size on here. Let me just try WP scan. Maybe come back to that. I don't know. Alright, so I had some code for that. Let's just try it and see what the hell. Okay, let's let me just do the IP here, right? That's 15. Yeah. Okay, I didn't like the quote. Okay, stop. Exit. Quit. What is it? Looking for another quote? What the heck? Anyways. Try this again. Get rid of this quote. Alright. 10 1.1.15. No. Aborted website doesn't even run. Oh, probably because I gotta put the WordPress. No. Oh crap. That's not gonna help me. I mean, I guess I gotta open my screen up. This might take a while though. Yeah, this is gonna take forever. I mean, it's letting me run it, but again, I don't have infinite time, and who knows if it's even in that rock queue list. I'm guessing it's probably not. So let's just do that. And then let me see what else they had. So they had MySQL, but let me maybe run some enumeration on it or something. I thought yeah. Maybe I'll see if there's any other folders too. This is this is LDAPs. Oh, no, okay. Okay, let's just do some research, I guess. Let's see, too many things going on here. 3306. Let's do 3306 Hactrix. Let's see here. Okay. There's a script here I could try running, but I think I already did that. But maybe it didn't run everything. Says the some permission valid credentials. All right, well then looking this up, I'm gonna go in the background and just run another file. Okay, let's stop this because I don't think the scan is going to do anything. Yeah, I'm just going to stop this. So let's just do another scan of the website. What is it? Turbuster, yeah, Turbuster. Okay, HTTP. And I know I found WordPress, but let me just see if there's other stuff there. Let this run in the background. Okay. All right, start this off. And then, I don't know, let's just see here, what else can we do? it sees anything here. Kind of just taking my time and just running a bunch of scans and see if I can find anything. I already have the username for the WordPress, but I'm trying to go a different way where you don't have to brute force it, because that's going to take forever if I try to do that. Obviously it's finding WordPress. So there's the uploads. No, I don't want to do that. So let me take a look at the uploads and see if there's anything in there. $23, $24, $23, $12, nothing. $24, $1, nothing. But the more I look at this, maybe there's multiple numbers here. So like, or it looks like it's probably a month thing. So like December of 2023. And then January, probably. Yeah. Okay. So that's probably what's going on here. So is there anything in the 11 maybe? No. Probably not. No, I'm fishing for stuff. Let's see here. Is there anything else? Uploads? No. Maybe there's like a plugins folder too, right? Let's see what plugins are running. What is it? Plugins. I go back to the scan here. There's no, doesn't find any plugins. Just the user. Okay. Let's see here. Find anything? WordPress includes here we go, theme plugins. Yeah, there's nothing found in there. Something's going on here. I don't think my scan is right. Like my setup is right on the scan here. So I'm gonna have to dig into the MySQL port probably, and what that other port is too. Is this almost done? No, it's got a long ways to go yet. All right, let's just keep this running, I guess. So nothing in the uploads. The other thing I was thinking of doing is just, I don't think there would be robots or anything. Would have found it. I think the other thing I could think of is running a queue on this and just pulling all like the keywords and then running it as like a password cracking thing, or not password, brute force, but I highly doubt that would give me anything. Yeah, these aren't, there's nothing here. Oh, view page source. What is this? What's a site wrapper? Okay, I don't know. I don't really see any comments or anything. I don't know. Last one I did, there was something in like the, I think it was like the JavaScript or CSS file or something. It was really weird. I doubt this one has the same thing, but so let's look at some of this stuff here. Oh, I don't want to download it. Not found. Just digging around to see if I can see anything like hidden in the WordPress sites. These are like usually there's like a blog or something, but I don't see anything. Story, here we go. This is what I'm looking for. Hello world, yeah, blah blah blah. Okay, yeah, that's the name. Hi, this is a comment. To get started with moderating, editing, and deleting comments, please visit the comments section of the dashboard. Comments come from Gravatar. So WordPress commenter. There's only two posts, it looks like. Here, okay, story here. There's some more information here. All right. Story behind Vivified Tech. I'm not gonna read this. I mean, I'm not gonna read it out loud. I'm gonna read it, but let's just scroll down and see. So weird, like there's gotta be something kind of hidden in here, like some message or something, right? Let's respond. All right. In an effort of saving time, I'm probably just gonna quick cheat a little bit and see if I'm going down the right path or not. Let's see here. Where are you? I'm probably gonna have to start with MySQL too, but let me just double check. Okay, so scan, yeah. Found WordPress, yep. So, yep, got the account, did that. We can confirm, Insomnia, yeah. See, they tried brute forcing too, it didn't work. Oh, so there's a WP includes. Yeah, see, I should have dug in all these folders. I always started doing that, but then moved on. So WP includes. Alright, so let's cancel this. Crash that. Or was it under content or something? WP content, as a WP includes. No, that didn't work either. What's going on here? WP. It's just WordPress WP includes. Okay. I think it's something to do with the HTTP in front too. There we go. Oh man, I should have looked at this. Okay. There's a lot of stuff going on here. But they said secrets. Secrets.txt. Okay, yeah, so these are the passwords. So this is going to be probably the password list I need to brute force WordPress with. So let me just copy these and do that. Copy, create, just say, yes, passes, pass list. Okay, and then we're gonna try to scan it again so we can get the pass. Pretty sure that's how it's gonna work. Let's just do WP scan again. What was the WP scan? Let's go back up here. Just change the copy. Let's just use our new list. And well, we already have the username, but let's just do just run it. See if it'll find the password. Okay, no, that didn't work. So I'm wondering if it could be the SSH too, and not the. So we try it. Let me just try Hydra real quick. Well, no, that didn't work when I tried Hydra. I had the issue. It says no valid passwords found. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's try. That's got to be the pass though, because it's probably includes, so it's probably the passes for the WordPress. I wonder why that didn't work before, that Hydra. Let me just pull up the code again. I could probably just use Burp Suite too. I think that'll work. Yeah, let me do. I can do Burp Suite. Sorry, Burp Suite. If I could talk. This should just work, but I ran into issue before. And then account name was, I don't know how to spell that. Copy. Paste. Copy, paste. Copy. Paste. Okay. Here file. What? Oh, it didn't save when I put the passwords in. Duh, that's probably why WP scan didn't work. Wow. Okay. Well, let's go get this the pass list again. Rookie mistakes. Secrets. Let's try this again. Copy. Pass list. Paste. Save. Okay, saved. Now, let's go back to this. Yeah, see, I was getting this network size thing. I'm not really sure why it's doing that, but let me go back to WP scan, because now that I know I actually have passwords in the list, it might work. So let me try this again. And then pass list is pass list. Okay. No. Let's see. No, password is found. What the heck? This one doesn't look right here. That doesn't. Oh. That looks funny. Yeah, I went through them all. Okay, well. Interesting. So maybe this is for SSH or MySQL. Let's try that. Let's just try SSH real quick. And that was SANCELSO at 10.1.1.15. Oh wait, what am I doing? I need to do Hydra. It's gonna be task list and then SANCLISO. If this doesn't work, then I'm gonna try MySQL. But MySQL usually is not a username like this. Usually it's like admin or root or something. The DB name. Didn't find anything. Okay, so it's not an SSH password. And it's not a WordPress password, so I don't know. We can try MySQL, but it didn't really can I just do it like this? I never. Does that work? No. Oh. It's not allowed. Okay, so it's not allowed to connect. So, yeah. Alright, let me just look at something real quick. So they got more users, but that's weird that it didn't find, my scan didn't find these users. How did they get the users? Just basically looking at the story and taking all the names out of it. Because I see there's Sarah there. It's interesting. Okay, so I just gotta make us a list with these names in it. I mean, we're kind of going down the right path, like looking at this story and then me deciding not to spend 5 minutes reading it. But yeah, so just put these usernames in a text file and run Hydra again, and then it should work. Well, let's try it. Keep moving forward. Where's a box? Let's just get rid of this. Create a file. Users. Text. So they're saying everything in that one story. Let's see if I just keep going back. No, I didn't save it for some reason. I didn't pull it up either. How did I get to it before? Right here, story. Okay. So basically finding all the names out of here. So Sarah's one of them. Mark. So let's just, we already tried this account, but I'll just put it in there anyways. Maybe. Based. All right, so we got Sarah, Mark. Who else do we have on here? Emily. Okay, then Jake. And is there any more? Alex. And I think that's good. All right, let's just try that. Let's try Hydra again. SSH. Okay, so we have to do this pass list. And this is going to be the user's text. Let's run through these real quick. Hey, wandering. So the room I'm doing is called, well, so it's not a try hack me. This is a hack my VM box. So it's called Vivatech. It's considered an easy box. So it looks like I found a username and password already. So Sarah. So I'm able to log in with Sarah. So let's log in. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, sometimes people like to follow along and stuff, so more than welcome. And if you see anything that you know might be missing or whatever, just let me know. Password BOJCon. Yep, aren't we all? We're all here to learn for sure. I mean, it's funny because I have to save all these like commands and stuff, and like I think for me I feel like I need to like memorize these, but there's just so many. Like eventually I'll get there, but and I don't mind like I'll take it if I'm stuck on a task, I'll just stop and just look at the walkthrough and just kind of move through this as far as I need to, and then just kind of go back and okay, so I found my step. So I don't have infinite time either, so all right, so let's see what we got here. So we got a user text, so it should be the flag for the user. Yep, here's the tag. So let's go put it in the site real quick. I just put it here for now. User flag. And just go back to the site. I probably have to relog in, but let's see. Yep, relog in. Well, that's good. That's good to know. At least I'm on the right path, right? Yeah, my head would explode if I tried to remember everything. That's what, you know, Google's for, right? Let me put in this user flag real quick. All right, that's good. Let's try to get root on this box then while we're here. So let's see if there's any privileges we can do in there. Password. Nope, cannot run. Sudo, okay. Let's see what else is in here. It's a local private, no, it's nothing really. Let's see what other directories are here. So there's more users in here, which is something we need to probably work through. So let me just put these accounts in. So I got Sarah, password is right here. And we got Emily, GBODJ. And we got Sarah already. Okay, and there's a user. All right, so let's see if we can get into these. Nope. Nope. Oh, wait, did I spell it right? D-G-B-O-D-J. Nope, okay, Sarah. Oh, that is my folder, okay, CD/home, CD user. Nope, so I can't get in any of these user accounts. There really wasn't anything in my folder. Let me just double check. There's history, but I don't, usually it's 0 in there, something in there. So now I'm probably just gonna have to run linps or something to see if I can find a privilege escalation process here. So yeah, let's do that. Let's test it out. Yep, got access. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just use linps and kind of see what I have access to on this machine. So many things open here. Done with that. Done with that. Actually, you know what I could do is it looked like there was MySQL. I could go and try to see what the MySQL username and password is and see if there's more data in the WordPress database, but I'm guessing since I already have a Sarah account, it's probably not going to do me much good. So let me hold off on that. Let me just do linps and see what I can do to escalate my privilege up. That's going to be tools, and let's just do server real quick, and let's try to pull this in. See if they have wget. And then 80/linps.sh. Unable to route. Okay, so I always do this. I always put the wrong machine in there. There we go. Okay, so it's there. Let's just see if I can run it real quick. Well, I'll just change mod. Plus X. I can't change permission. Okay, so let's just see if I can run it. There we go, it's running. Okay. See if I can find anything. Oh, okay. Stop. Stop. It's like the Matrix. Stop. Stop moving. Okay. Let's see if there's anything yellow, because that's usually the easiest path. And I think I screwed up some stuff when I was scrolling. Let me just, is there a way just to output this to a file or something to read it easier? If they have T, I don't know. I'll stop, I won't move it, I'll just let it go and then go back up. All right. Did it again. Well. It's not gonna work. No. Well, what's going on here? I don't really see anything crazy yet. bash completion.sh. Writable files that are owned by me or writable by everybody. Okay, I don't really see anything there either. I mean, I could just poke around at the MySQL database, but I still don't think that's going to give me much. I'm pretty sure the MySQL is for the WordPress application, but I don't know. In effort of time, I'm just gonna see what the walkthrough showed quick. So we got the credentials. Okay, so it looks like, yeah, we're in. How did I not see this file, task.txt? Oh, it's because it's in the private folder. I should have looked at that when I saw that. I thought it was like a standard thing. Okay, let's go back /Sarah. It helps if I can spell. So it was this private file or folder, I should say, right? It's a folder. Yeah, tasks. Okay, so that's the only thing in there. Let's see what it says. All right, so change the design architecture of the website. Plan for an audit. It seems like your website is vulnerable. Remind the team we need to schedule a party. Yep, that's a good thing. Give this credit to the new intern for some tasks. Okay, so here it looks like we got username and password here for this one. So let me just take this and move over to this account.
Some motherfucking dog house.
And change the song for some reason. Let's see here. Okay, let me just switch user then, right? GDODJ. I did it wrong again. GBODJ. Password. Copy. Paste. Enter. There we go. Okay, so I'm into this account now. Let's see what's in this folder. Okay, a whole lot of nothing. Sudo? Yes, okay, so they can do sudo. So this is probably our next path forward here. Looks like we can run git. So they mentioned in there something about the website is vulnerable, so maybe there's like some package or something that I need to get. Or I can just try to run it and get root that way. They didn't set up the new account correctly for the internet. Yeah, you know what? I would agree. It's funny though. Some of these CTFs, they have pretty good. Some of them have pretty good storylines, just to like keep you more involved in it. You know. Let's see. Hey, thanks for following. Appreciate it. Hey, good evening. Welcome. Glad you could join me today in my adventures through CTFs. So I think I can just run this, right, somehow. I was playing around with this yesterday. Not this binary, but I thought you could just do like a sudo on it, and then maybe there's some command where I can get the shell, right? But I don't know if git is in here. It is in here. Git. So if I run this, so this should just give me root then, I would think. Let's just try. Well, let's just try this one liner first and see. Sorry, you're not allowed to. Okay, so I'm not allowed to set the following environment variables pager. Oh. Is this CTF? Yeah, this is a CTF. It's from Hack My VM. I think it's a European site. But yeah, so this is what a CTF. So I can't run pager. So let's try this once. Well, it says this invokes the default pager, so it's okay. Git branch, okay. Let's try this once. Yeah, we're just, so I'm just wrapping up, getting through this, trying to get root, and then I was probably gonna do one more box, maybe, we'll see. Hey, thanks Wandering Pop. Thanks for joining. Have a good day. Let's see. Let's try this. And then, was there another command? Yeah. Maybe you gotta do it all at once. Oh, there we go. Okay. So who am I? Yeah, there we go. Root. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. So let's just get the fun VM. Yeah, this wasn't too bad. I mean, I think I just took too long to look at. Like I kind of should have been taking my time and going through like all the pages and stuff and reading that story, and then I'm like, I'm just gonna keep moving forward. But I would have eventually found it without the walkthrough. It just would have took me a couple more hours, probably. Let's see here. Root.txt. Here we go. So let me go put this flag in, and then we'll just get another box. I like the ones that actually have more than one account. You know, they kind of have to work through accounts. That makes it a little more fun. Flags. All right, let's go back out here. The flag. Congrats. All right, I don't know if I have another one downloaded. I might have to download another one, but let me see what I got. Power off the machine. Let's just close all this out. And that was this one done. All right. VMs. System's done. These weren't in English, so I'm not going to do those. Alzheimer. I don't know if I want to do that one. Let's see what else is out here. That one was a more recent one too, what we just did. I'm still on easy level here. I don't want to do medium yet. I already did this one. For some reason I didn't register yet, but let me, so that's the next one. Volney. Let's do this one. Download. See here, downloads. Come on, a little bit more. You can do it. Come on. Okay, yep, let's just extract this, get this running. Extract, close, just open this up. Start her up. All right, let me change the network quick and then get this bad boy running. Terminal. And start her up. Okay, we already got that. Let's pull this up. Get my machine up. Okay, create a folder. Let's do the original or the new stuff here. Volney. And let's get going here. Create a document. Let's just do accounts again. Create a document, flags, and let's just scan this thing. Ping. I think it's 16 now, right? Yep, 16. Let's run nmap and see what we got here. taking a little bit here. Okay, let's see what we got. Oops. Okay, so we got a website, obviously, and then another MySQL. So let's just run or add this to our host files. And then we're going to call this volny.hmv. Cali, right? Let's see. Let's just open up this website. And see what we get. Okay, so default page. So I'm just gonna scan it and see what we can find that's running in the background. JavaScript, secret. They have robots too. Probably not. Just go robots.txt. Yeah, no. Secret is, let's go there. Neither WordPress config, blah, blah, this could be found. Make sure that exists a readable website contains the right username and password. Okay, so looks like we got another WordPress site here. Make sure one of them exists, readable web server, okay. So it's just under the main directory, right? WordPress. But didn't find anything. Why is it doing that? HTTP. Yeah, no, nothing found there. So these are, these look like, this looks like, well, this may be like a domain thing, right? So maybe config. This kind of looks like a website, but I don't know. Neither acceptable config.php. So this is it's looking for a PHP file. They just run a scan on this site and see if it finds anything. There's a JavaScript folder too, but probably doesn't tell me much. Yeah, forbidden. Let's just run, let's run one on the secret folder. Yeah, so there is content in here. And there's an admin in here. So, okay. Oh, I keep doing that. HTTP. Let's go to the includes ones, because that was a trick before. Nope, forbidden. Content. Okay, there's content. I know there's an admin page, so we can run WP scan, try to get some usernames. Uploads, WP File Manager Pro. So this might be an upload path that we take. That's just a normal directory. Okay, there's a zip file here, WP File Manager 6.0. So there might be a vulnerability in this. So let's see here, WP. Let's search and see if we can see if there's any exploits for that. I'll just run a WP scan first and just see. Sometimes it tells me if there's any. So that was vulny.v/secret. No, okay, it does not. Did I spell it right? Secret WP. Maybe because it's not configured. It's probably not configured right, so it's not finding it. Vulny secret. So I can't do that unless I didn't spell it right. Secret. I spell it right. Let's just see if there's a vulnerability for, let's see, plugins. Yeah, WP File Manager. I think there's something here, but it's not showing anything. Back up. Let me just run a scan. Let's see what's available for this tool. Let's just go to WP File Manager. Let's just say plugin exploits. So this is, what version is this? This is 6.0. Thought I saw 6.0 somewhere. What is it, plugins? Where did I see? I thought I saw 6.0 somewhere. No. Okay. I know it says Pro. I don't know if it matters. Okay, so right here, let's just see what this is. So yeah, it looks like you're using Burp Suite to get through here. And let me, I want to just look at the walkthrough real quick and just see if I'm on the right path. I'm pretty sure I am, but let's see what they got here. Let's It's not available. So yeah, secret, and then so yeah, I found, okay, yeah, so that's just what I thought. So yep. Yep, remote code execution. So you just download this script and run it. Okay, easy. Let's just do search exploit and then WP file manager. Yep, right here. Okay, so let's copy the code here. Okay, let's copy this. Oh wait, this whole path. Copy, and then we'll just call it exploit.py. Here it is, exploit. Let's take a look at it. All right, so do I need to provide any param? Yeah, so I gotta give it the URL, I think. So yeah, and then it goes in the plugins folder and does its thing. So it must just give you a command prompt then. Yeah, command prompt. All right, let's try this out. See if it's this easy. So exploit. Python 3 exploit .py, and then I'm guessing the address phony.hmv/secret. Let's try that. Exploit URL commando. Oh, so probably just have to put a command in and then it gives me a command back. Give me the ID. Yep, the ID. Okay, so this is what we're doing. Okay, so what I need to do is probably just do a reverse shell back to my machine so I can get more of a persistent command. I think I'm still running this, so stop this run. When my CPU keeps going like crazy. Okay, so I can get in here and I could do, I could take a look at what all the users are. Maybe password. No. Maybe it's got to be in parentheses or something, or quotes. There we go. So I come here and see, okay, so we got typical root, but let's see what else they got on here. So I'll just we'll just copy some of these. So it looks like there's Adrian. I don't know if this isn't a user. So yeah, there's just like one account, it looks like. Save. All right, so now let's just get into this box and we're gonna run a netcat command to connect back. And hopefully that works. Let's start up our listener. 444. And let's get our one-liner. I think it's just rev shells. And we're gonna do something simple. I think we just have to do netcat. I just try that too, but let's just do this one. See. So I gotta put my address in here. 444. Yep. Copy this. No, I think I gotta like. I might have to like execute this somehow. Still kind of learning this. So let's go back here and just try. I don't know if it'll run without me doing like an execute or something. Yeah, I didn't get anything back. I think I have to run some other command to kick it off. Let's just see if I can run that cat. This one. Nope, didn't work. Okay, what's the command? What are they running? They're running a bunch of stuff here. Can't read that. There's a netcat, but it's like they're piping it in to something or from something. Looks like it's a remove command or rename. Where's that? Maybe if I just try a PHP one, maybe PHP execute. Well, this is Python. But I should look at the code, what the exploit's running in the code. Bad file descriptor, yeah. What is it doing? So just running the command, like, so it should execute. Well, let's see if I can get a better command. So this one they did. So this one they ran it. It's like different. It's a different using Metasploit. I suppose I could try that. Probably easier. Let's just try. I haven't done Metasploit in a while. Let's just do that. Yeah, probably make things easier than me trying to manually do this. The write-up is using netcat. Oh, so the river shell. Yeah, the OSB river shell. Okay. So it's using this top one here. Okay, thank you. All right, let me use that one. welcome back. Let me just run the. I gotta run the listener real quick again. All right, 10.1.1.2.444. So if I run this, it should work. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, it's hard for me to read that, what they were doing, but yeah, there we go. Oh, okay. Interesting. Nice. So, let's see here. So from here, on www data. Hey Ghost, welcome. Yeah, I'm trying to like get my viewer count thing to work on OBS, and it's just showing me there's like 1 or 2 viewers, but I'm sure there's more than that. So I don't know if I got like I gotta get like a different plugin or something, but anyways. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so we got Adrian, right? Gotta get in. There we go, user.text. Can I see it? No, can't see it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is see what permissions they have. Hope I don't have a password, so I can't do that, right? What I'm missing here? Let's see what sudo as admin successful. What is that? All right, so I could just run linps, I guess. It seemed like there was something easy though. I just didn't. What was it? What were they doing? That was a config. Yeah, so they just switched user for some reason. Oh, because it's in the config. Go. So if we go into the config file, okay, where the frick was that now? That wasn't there, was it? It was user share WordPress content. Where's the config backup level? Config cat wp config.php. What do we got here? I thought there would be a password in here, but I guess not. It says localhost. You just switched user. Switch user with no password. Guess so. Spell Adrian. Adrian. Oh, there's a password. What am I missing here? I need to drink some water. I drink some water. You think that's the password? Let's try it. I do need to drink water, by the way. Thirsty. Yeah, there it is. Okay. That was really kind of hidden in there. Like, I mean, it's a comment, obviously, but you really got to read the whole config file instead of just looking for the username and password. All right. Okay, so I got that now. So let's go get the user flag. Good user flag, okay. Yeah. Might have to relog in. Nope, okay. Alright, let's see if we can get root. First thing. There we go. User bin flock. I've never done this flock thing before, so let's see what we got. Flock sudo. Oh, that's easy, right? It's pretty easy to me. Who am I? Root. Okay. I didn't even need to walk through to get that. So hey, congrats to me. All right. Let's just get the root flag and go from there. I did it. Thanks for your help. OXF69, appreciate it. Let me just put this in. Oops, wrong one. All right, I think I'm gonna wind down a little bit here and probably be done for the day. I was gonna try to raid somebody. I've never done this before, so bear with me. So let me just pull up Twitch real quick, see what we got. Twitch. And then let's see here, who do we got? Do I have any people? Nobody's on that I know here. So let's just go to browse. Let's see here, software. Who should we raid? Who should we raid? I don't know. Coder? No, it doesn't look like he's not about to start. I don't know if there's like any like. Oh wait, can we go? So there's a. I don't know if everyone knows it. There is a GitHub that someone started. I don't know who it was, but it shows like who's active streaming like cybersecurity streams. It's called InfoSec streams. So you can see I'm on here. So there's Morehouse Hacks, and then Heat Tennis. Yeah. So this is I found this when I was like, okay, so who else is streaming cybersecurity stuff? And then so there's like, so if anybody on here that's are trying to stream or whatever, you can just go out here and check out the GitHub, and you can get yourself added to it. So it automatically like shows you who's streaming. So I'm gonna just probably pick one of these guys, Morehouse Hacks, or let's see who we got here. It's taking a break. So let me see who else here. Let's see this guy. Yeah, let me just send you guys over here. Just bear with me and see if I can figure this out. But thanks guys for joining me today and coming back. If you were a repeat visitor, I appreciate it. You'll get your name on there. Yeah, it's you should. It's easy. You can actually just go do it yourself. Kind of. You just have to check out the code and check it back in, and then they'll just verify you or whatever. Verify that you have a stream and everything. So let me just go ahead and put in this guy's name and send you over there. And I appreciate it, guys. Have a good day.